In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WordPress in Hostinger. So to start off, you can't exactly download it, but you can install it. So what I'll show you how to do, go to your dashboard, log in, go to your hosting and click manage. Now, there's a section here that says WordPress overview. You can click here and then you can click install here, and that's going to install WordPress into this hosting. So then from here, you're going to have access to loads of different settings here, force HTTPS, all these different options here. Now, if you want to edit your WordPress website now, you click this button here, edit website. This is going to redirect me to the WordPress page. And boom, you can see from here, I'm now able to edit all of the stuff, and this is going to be hosted by Hostinger and with the same domain that you've linked with Hostinger. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped.